Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPad model and iOS version and make sure the app supports them. Once done, free at least 1/2 GB of storage and close background apps to remove memory pressure. Then restart the iPad to clear transient issues. If the app still crashes immediately, go to the App Store and update the app. If no update exists, uninstall and reinstall to refresh corrupted files and permissions. That gets you into the diagnostic middle steps. Now you dig deeper. Reproduce the crash and immediately open settings to grab the crash log and analytics data so you know which process failed. Once you have that, isolate external factors by testing on a different network and toggling airplane mode to rule out connectivity. Make sure to disable VPNs, ad blockers, or system-wide content filters because they often interrupt app workflows. If crashes persist, create a new user profile or reset network settings to narrow down. Finish by applying fixes with care. Clear the app cache or reset its preferences if the option exists, and make sure you back up your iPad to iCloud or Finder before major changes. Once backed up, update iOS to the latest stable release because system patches often fix app compatibility. If the app still fails, send the crash log and device details to the developer. They can interpret stack traces. As a final measure only, perform a factory reset and restore your backup to eliminate persistent system corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.